Hey guys, Tutanota provides robust end-to-end encryption for your emails, ensuring that your communications remain private. And here's how to activate and utilize encrypted email features in Tutanota. So, log into your Tutanota account and click on the New Email button to start composing a message. So make sure that you have created an account, navigate to tuta.com, click on login, and after logging in, just click the New Email button to start composing a message. Now, simply enter the recipient's email address. A padlock icon will appear below the recipient email field. Click on the padlock icon to toggle encryption on or off. When the padlock is locked, the email will be encrypted. If the recipient doesn't use Tutanota, you will need to set a password for them to decrypt the message. Now, after enabling encryption, a field will appear to enter a password. Choose a strong password and enter it. Share this password securely with the recipient via phone call or encrypted messaging app. The recipient will use this password to decrypt the email. Now, complete your email by adding a subject and message body. Click Send to dispatch your encrypted email. When you receive an encrypted email, you will see a notification prompting for a password. Enter the password provided by the sender. The email content will be decrypted and displayed. So, activating encrypted email in Tutanota is straightforward and enhances your communication privacy. By following these steps, you can ensure your emails are securely encrypted even when communicating with external recipients. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.